You guys hear that? That's the sound and smell of fun. Today we are heading to an Aviation Expo. Right up my alley. Anything that has to do with airplanes or aviation, you know I'm gonna be there. We're gonna bring you along on our last and final vlog of March Madness. And hey, there's no better way to end it with a good old vlog.
By taking on a flight.
I wish we were going on a flight, but hey, you never know where these vlogs are gonna go.
No.
We may end up on a flight, who knows? Let's jet. You guys ready to go into an airplane? We're not gonna fly it, but we get to experience it. Do you guys want to get in here and take me for the flight?
It's your size.
I would love it.
So we're learning all about aerospace. The kids are getting their passports and they have to go to each of these booths to get a stamp on each of these. And so then while they're learning, we just learned about 3D printing and how they're using it to make these parts for airplanes that don't exist anymore, which is so neat. Yes, it takes a few days to 3D print stuff, but in the long run, they find these pieces that they can't find anywhere else.
Guys ready to time travel? All right, let's go. We're time traveling. Where are we going? Didn't know you were gonna do a little homeschool today, did ya? I mean, a little aviation day and a little homeschool day. Hey, we can mix that. Kids get to learn something. We got a guy doing a little trick right now. Here he goes. This is the place to be if you have ADD, I'm not gonna lie. Every few minutes we're looking up, looking around. All right, you guys ready to go finish your passport, get your stamps, you can get a toolkit so you can fix some things around the RV? Last and final one.
Yeah.
Ready to go get your surprise now? What do you think it's gonna be? Do you know?
Yeah.
Let's go find out. So the kiddos completed their passports. They got their surprise. Super, super cool. Are you excited for your little new toolbox? I hear it just clinging around. And the toolbox has some small screwdrivers. Always nice to have. We see some airplanes ripping in the sky. We're gonna go try to find where they exactly
Doing some
are.
aerials.
guys ready for the airplane life? Yeah. We're testing out the waters to see what it would be like. Would you be comfortable? This one's a little bit smaller. This is a 3-seater, but we would get a big one. are now checking out all the Army things, warplanes.
All the warcrafts. There's so many of these. There's helicopters, and I just talked to a vet that was from Vietnam, and he used to fly this helicopter behind me 50 years ago.
Amazing. Things that you don't see every day are right in front of our eyes, and including your eyes. We hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. Super, super fun day, and an awesome, fun vlog to end March Madness on. You learned a little bit of homeschool today, and what's one thing they asked if you would look for?
I'm looking for...
You see it right there? There it is. Aviation wire keeps the bolts nice and snug so it doesn't move. Nice find. Lily found it. I want to see that boating, aviation, and RVers are all in the same pool. Oh, okay. Boat. I think Jim's got me sold on a Beechcraft. What do you think? Super, super knowledgeable. We are looking for a 5 to 6 seater airplane. Within about a year, we have some plans. Can't tell you guys too much, but I will tell you this. I will tell you that everything will be filmed. I'm speaking it into existence.
And Jaren loves flying in the sky, so a plane would be best for him, and then he could bring us in the sky with him.
I'm sure you guys know that. So we've shared a lot with you already. So a little bit more aviation stuff. Let's keep on rolling. Are you having fun in the sun? It's sun and fun?
I am.
Say that 3 times fast. Found a little shade spot. We found a little noodle bowl place that makes veggie noodles. And now we're just hanging out underneath the little shade tree. How do you feel that this is the last March Madness vlog?
I'm so sad. Are we going to end March by not doing any more vlogs?
I'm not gonna lie, it has been a little bit since we did vlog. And March Madness really got us moving and grooving, getting the camera out again, connecting with the audience. And if you guys are new here from March Madness, we appreciate you guys. And remember, if you have not checked out the Bethunes, check them out right here. And that's how a boy lost his plane.
Maybe it'll get windy enough it'll fall out.
You only had it for minus 45 seconds.
I just built it and it's gone. Now it's actually stuck.
Buddy, you're never flying me, okay? If this is the way you're gonna fly airplanes, I'm not interested.
Into trees.
How cool that everyone's out here camping with their airplanes.
They have little tents. It's a big tent.
Yeah, they got a little setup going on. Got RVs out here.
Jaren was saying we should have just brought our motorhome out here. There's spots for us next to the airplanes.
Actually, I did notice that there are some places with hookups. I mean, I don't know about water and sewage, but I do know that people had electricity and they were plugged in. But how cool would it be to come in here, you land your airplane, pop open your tent, and you're hanging out for the whole week.
It'd be so much fun.
Went from painting faces to sitting in your airplane. You guys look good in there.
Like we said, that RVing and boating and planes, the communities are all like willing to help you and talk to you. And so Jaren is talking to one of these pilots that came here for the event, and he's all in his plane. I don't know what kind this is. I think it's a Beechcraft. That's the plane it is. He said it was a 58, and this looks so pretty. It's such a pretty airplane.
Good morning. The final day of March Madness is here. We made it. Congratulations, everybody. If you're watching this and you made it this far, thank you so much for watching this last and final vlog of March Madness. What a treat it's been to just pick up the camera and just make memories with the family and with you guys as well. It's been fun.
It has been fun. It's been exhausting.
It's been fun, exhausting. So Molly's driving. I'm actually editing this vlog that you're watching right now. So the day that you're seeing this is the day I'm editing it. It's going up live. It's like you guys are seeing exactly what we were doing. It's so cool to just, but anyways, March Madness, final vlog, editing it as we're headed to Disney today to ride Tron. Molly got there. Everyone, let's give your mom a round of applause. Molly woke up early, made sure we got our little lightning lane virtual queue pass ready to go, and fully just, you're good. You did it. So we are on our way to Disney, and we're gonna have a little fun. If you guys want to check that out, it's gonna be over on our Instagram at We+3. But anyways, that's where we're gonna end it. This is where March Madness ends, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on the live and for the giveaway. So you have until tomorrow before the live goes up to binge these videos. If you haven't, send them to your friends or not, so you have a chance of winning the giveaway. It's been fun though. But anyways, we'll see you in the next adventure.
Can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out